Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Today, let us start with a new topic, that is comparing numbers. Now, let us take the example 6 and 12. We have to compare these two numbers. Here 6 is a 1-digit number and 12 is a 2-digit number. When we compare a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number, always 1-digit number is the smallest number. 1-digit number is the smallest number when we compare 1-digit number and 2-digit number. So 6 is smaller than 12. 6 is smaller than 12. Already we have learnt about these signs: less than, greater than and equal to. This symbol is called as less than, and this symbol is called as greater than, and this is called as equal to. So these are the concepts we have already learnt. Now listen, children, whenever you are comparing the numbers, whether it is greatest number or the smallest number, always compare the smallest number. Automatically everything will be correct. Now here this is called as less than symbol. This pointed side should point to the small number. Pointed side should point to the small number, and this big side should point to the bigger number or the biggest number. Is that clear? Now let us take one more example, 32 and 15. Let us compare these two numbers. Here both are 2-digit numbers. When you are comparing a 2-digit number, we have to compare the tens place first. This is ones place and this is tens place. Here also ones and tens. When we are comparing the 2-digit number, we have to compare the tens place first. Remember that. Here in tens place we have 3 and here in tens place we have 1. Now which is the smallest number? Is it 3 or 1? It is 1. So this pointed side should point to the smallest number. So 1 is small. So this pointed side should point to the small number. So 32 is greater than 15. This symbol is greater than. Now let us take one more example. Okay. The same number we can take 32 and 35. We have to compare these two numbers. I have already told you, when we are comparing 2-digit number, we have to compare the tens place first. So here in tens place we have 3 and here also we have 3. Both the digits are same. Then what we have to do? We have to go for the ones place. In ones place we have 2 here and here 5. So which digit is small now? 2, is it 2 or 5? It is 2. So this pointed side should point to the small number. It is 32 is less than. This symbol is called as less than. 32 is less than 35. In this way you have to compare, children. Now let us take one more example, 146 and here 232. Now here both are 3-digit numbers. Here 146 is a 3-digit number and 232 is also a 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number, we have to compare the hundreds place first. This is hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. Here also write down ones, tens, hundreds. So in a 3-digit number, we have to compare the hundreds place first. In hundreds place, what is the digit we have here? Here it is 1 and here it is 2. So which digit is small now? Is it 1 or 2? It is 1. So the pointed side should point to the small number. So 146 is less than 232. Now let us take one more example. 225, 228. Now here both are 3-digit numbers. We have to compare the hundreds place first. Here in hundreds place we have 2. Here also 2. Both the digits are same. So what we have to do? We have to move for the tens place. Here it is 2. Here also it is 2. So both are same. Then we have to move for the ones place. Here it is 5 and here it is 8. So which number is small? Which digit is small now? Is it 5 or 8? It is 5. So the pointed side should point to the small number. Small number is 5 here. So 225 is less than 228. Is that clear to you, children? Now let us take one more example. 548. Here 598. Now let us compare these two numbers. Both are 3-digit numbers. Both are 3-digit numbers. In a 3-digit number, we have to compare the hundreds place first. Here in hundreds place we have 5. Here also 5. So both the digits are same. We have to go for the tens place and compare. Here it is in tens place 4 and here it is 9. Now which digit is small? 4 is smaller than 9. So less than symbol. So 548 is less than 598. Let me take one more example. 621, 615. Now both are 3-digit numbers. We have to compare the hundreds place first. Here it is 6. Here also in hundreds place we have 6. What we have to do? We have to move for the tens place. Here it is 2 and here it is 1. Now which digit is small? Is it 2 or 1? It is 1. So the pointed side should point to the smaller number. Now 621 is greater than. This symbol is called as greater than 615. Is it clear, children? Now let us take one more example. 742, 742. Now here also both are 3-digit numbers. Hundreds place we have same digits. Tens place also we have the same digits, and ones place also we have same digits. So they are both are equal. We have to write equal to sign. 742 is equal to 742. It is equal to sign. Children, all of you open page number 67 and write today's date, children. Now here we have the heading, fill in the blanks with the correct sign. Use less than, greater than or equal to. Here the first question we have is 990. We have to compare them. Here 900 is a 3-digit number and 90 is a 2-digit number. When we compare a 3-digit and a 2-digit number, 2-digit number is always smaller than the 3-digit number. So write greater than sign here. The pointed side should point to the smaller number. So 90 is smaller than 300. So this pointed side should point to the smaller number. Now let us compare 807 and 707. Now here both are 3-digit numbers. In a 3-digit number we have to compare the hundreds place first. Here in hundreds place we have 8 and here it is 7. Now which is small? Is it 8 or 7? It is 7. So write down greater than sign. Remember that this pointed side should point to the smaller number. 807 is greater than 707. Now let's move on to the third question. 785 and 558. Now both are 3-digit numbers. We have to compare the hundreds place first. Here in hundreds place we have 7 and here it is 5. So here which number is small here? Is it 7 or 5? It is 5. So write down greater than sign. 785 is greater than 558. Now let's move on to the next question. 541 and 451. Here both are 3-digit numbers. Compare the hundreds place. In hundreds place we have 5, here 4. Which number is small? Is it 5 or 4? It is 4. Write down greater than sign. 541 is greater than 451. Now next, 930 and 830. Here in hundreds place we have 9 and here we have 8. So 8 is smaller than 9. So it is greater than sign. And here 659 and 559. Here 6 and here 5 in hundreds place. So 659 is greater than 559. All of you open page number 68 and write today's date, children. Now in this we have the heading, fill in the blanks with the correct sign. Use less than, greater than or equal to sign. Here we have 432 and 416. Both are 3-digit numbers. Compare the hundreds place. Both are same. In hundreds place 4 and 4. So go for the next digit, that is the tens place. Here we have 3 and here 1. So is it 1 or 3? Which is small? It is 1. So write down greater than. Next, 321, 334. Here in hundreds place we have the same digits. So go for the tens place. Here it is 2 and here it is 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. Write down less than. 321 is less than 334. Now 761 and 716. Both are 7 in hundreds place. So move on to the tens place. Here it is 6 and here it is 1. So 1 is smaller than 6. Write greater than symbol. 761 is greater than 716. Next, 210 and 201. Both are 2 in hundreds place. So move for the next digit, that is tens place. Here it is 1 and here it is 0. So 0 is less than 1. So it is greater than sign. 210 is greater than 201. Next is 808 and 880. Both are 8 in hundreds place. So move to the tens place. It is 0 and here it is 8. So 0 is less than 8. Less than symbol. 808 is less than 880. Next, 917 and 907. 9 in hundreds place. We have 9 in hundreds place. So go for the tens place. Here it is 1 and here it is 0. So 0 is less than 1. So 917 is greater than 907. The remaining two sums you try, children. Next, let's move on to the next heading, that is challenge question. Write an appropriate digit in the boxes. Here some boxes are given. You have to fill up those boxes. Here the first question is 356 is greater than. They are given here 35 and a box. You have to fill up a number in this box. Here this box is in which place? Ones place. So go for the ones place here. Compare the ones place. This is greater than. 6 is greater than. You have to write a number less than 6. From 1 to 5 any numbers you can write. So I will write 3. From 1 to 5 you can write any numbers, children. Next question, 356 is greater than. They are given a box in the middle. That means it is a tens place. Now compare the tens place. Here it is 5. You have to write a number less than 5 from 1 to 4. So I will write it as 347. I have written 4 in the box. The next sum you try, children. Here hundreds place is empty. So you have to fill in a number that is less than 3. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.